Hi guys! Hello, welcome naman sa bago nating videos. So, kung kahapon or nung nakaraan, sa video natin is lookout yung natin, yung pinang tutorial natin. Ngayon naman, yung Be My Eyes. So, Be My Eyes naman yung natin, i-tutorial natin ngayon. So, ang Be My Eyes at Lookout parang iisa lang din sila. Pero iba yung Be My Eyes kasi mas nadi-describe niya ng maayos yung video or yung picture. Hindi pala siya kaya mag-describe ng video, guys. Picture pwede. So, ayan, simulan na natin.
Like, share, and subscribe to my channel.
Dreams Rival and Dula.
Like, share, and subscribe to my channel.
And so, dito na tayo sa home screen. So, hanapin natin yung...
Messenger, Facebook.
Wait lang guys Iyan ko muna kayo. Parinig ko sa inyo yung... Ayan, para marinig nyo ng maayos. Ayan, hindi nyo ba naririnig? Wait lang.
Accessibility volume is 60. 66.
Ayan.
Media volume, default navigation.
So, syempre, punta tayo sa Play Store. Hanapin natin yung Be My Eyes.
TikTok, Messenger, Facebook, My Files, Play Store. Application icon.
So, magvo-voice search ulit ako.
Your 2024 StarMate. Books. Search.
Ayan, search.
Apps. Games. Signed in as Rianne Squeeze Venezuela. Voice search. Search Google Play. Voice search.
Be My Eyes.
Another app is occupying microphone. Subs. Please make sure microphone. Okay. Button. Didn't catch that. Try again. Button.
So, hindi daw kasi
Didn't catch that. Try again. But back. Play Store. Explore again. Books. Books. Search. Select apps. Games. Signed in. Voice search. Search Google Play. Search apps and games.
So, hindi na-catch
Showing search suggestions.
Hindi na-catch ng guys. So, itatype ko na lang.
N D B I Y T R E E space B N M M O I U Y Y space my R T R E E Y Y E E Y T S S.
So, ayan. Be My Eyes. Tapos,
One back button. Accessibility button. One back button. Accessible. Navigate up. Be My Eyes. Edit box. Editing. Clear. Search for Be My. Refine search. Search for Be My Eyes.
ayan.
Showing search suggestions.
Ayan, Be My Eyes. Hanapin nyo
Be
lang.
My Eyes. Be My Eyes. Play trailer for Be My Eyes. Play trailer for Be My Eyes. Enables blind perceive with assistance from sighted volunteers. Install. Be My Eyes. Be My Eyes.
So, ito siya. So, tingnan muna natin yung ratings.
Be My Eyes. Be My Eyes.
Ayan, guys. Ito yung Be My Eyes. Wait lang, guys,
Media volume. TTS rate. Scroll. TTS rate.
Nabagalan ko.
55.
Ayan.
Media volume. Default navigation.
So, para marinig nyo yung,
Average rating 4.5. Be My Eyes.
ito, Be My Eyes.
Average rating 4.5 stars and 31,000 reviews.
Ayan, 31,000 reviews na daw.
48 MB. Content rating rated for 3+. Downloaded 1 million plus times.
Yan, 1 million plus na yung nagda-download.
Install.
Siyempre, install na natin. So, ayan, naglo-loading pa yan, guys.
Be My Eyes 0% verified by Play Protect. Progress 1%.
Ayan. Maba.
4%. 13%. 22%. 27%. 32%. 36%. 37%. 47%. 48%. 48%. 48%. 48%. 49%.
So, ayan, medyo mabagal talaga.
49%. 39%. 39%. 39%. 40%. 40%.
So, yan inuulit ko guys kasi
40%.
naglo-loading siya mabagal.
40%.
Yan, 40%.
40%.
Ipopost ko na lang muna guys.
41%. 41%. 41%.
Wait lang guys, ipopost ko muna.
41%. 40 notification shade. Clear all Play Store.
Wait lang, ipopost ko muna yung recording.
Be My Eyes progress bar. Be My Eyes 42% verified by Play Protect. Notification and expand silent tools stop pause.
Pause ko muna guys, balikan ko kayo mamaya. So ayun guys na ano. Ayan guys na ano na install na natin. So open na natin siya. Nandito na ulit ako sa home screen.
Instagram. Blind mini games. Instabridge has free notification. Camera. Lookout. Be My Eyes.
So dito tayo sa Be My Eyes.
Application icon. I'd like to volunteer button.
So meron ka ditong pagpipilian. Ito.
Be My Eyes. Join the community. See the world together. 771,376 blind.
So ayan, ganun daw kadami yung blind. Kasi may mga volunteer din dito guys eh. Pwede kang tumawag. Ganun.
8,470,827 volunteers.
So ayan, ganun kadami yung volunteers.
I need visual assistance button.
So syempre, dito mamili ka. I need visual assistance.
I'd like to volunteer button.
Meron din ditong I like to volunteer. So ang pipiliin ko dyan, dahil visually impaired ako, ang pipiliin ko ay
I need visual assistance button.
I need visual assistance. Syempre, yan yung aanoin ko. Yan yung, yan.
Privacy and terms. Privacy and terms. To use Be My Eyes, you agree to the following.
So ayan, may mga following pa siya guys.
I will not use Be My Eyes as a mobility device. Be My Eyes can record, review, and share videos and images for safety, quality, and is further described in the privacy policy.
So ayun.
The data, videos, images, and personal information I submit to Be My Eyes may be stored and processed in the USA. Terms of service. Privacy pop. By clicking I agree to everything above and accept the terms of service and privacy policy.
So syempre,
I agree
I
button.
agree.
Get started. Get started. Continue with email button. Continue with Google
So
button.
Google na lang kasi hindi ko alam yung email address ko.
Choose an account to continue to Be My Eyes. Re-entry Valenzuela. Google Play Services.
Ayan na guys.
Google Play Get started.
So ito na yung laman ng Be My Eyes.
Microphone. Can't allow access.
So may mga
Give access. But allow access.
So may mga i-allow ka ditong access.
Microphone. Camera. Bluetooth. And calls.
So i-allow nyo lang yan.
To make video calls, give access to your microphone, camera and calling. To use a wireless headset, please give access to Bluetooth. Give access. Button.
Give access lang natin yan.
Only is while using allow Be My Eyes to take pictures and record video.
Syempre while
While
using
using
the app. Ayan.
Only is don't allow Be My Eyes to record audio while using
While using the app lang din guys.
allow Be My Eyes to find, connect to, and determine the relative position of nearby devices. Allow.
Allow lang natin yan.
Don't allow Be My Eyes to make and manage phone calls. Allow.
So i-allow lang natin.
Relax. Be My Eyes. Be My Eyes. Call a volunteer. But my groups. Home. So Be My AI. So Be My AI.
So Be My AI, meron din ditong call a volunteer. Kaso mamaya na lang kasi naka-record tayo.
Service directory. Community. Settings. Be My AI. Take picture. Button.
So magti-take lang ng picture guys.
Home. Take picture. Button. Home. Take picture. Button disabled.
So ayan, ano niya na guys. Dinescribe niya na sa akin yung picture guys.
Ask more. But take picture. Button. Ask home. Be my AI selected. Service to community.
So, ayun.
Settings. Be my AI. The image shows a part of a room with a window. The window has multiple panes and is covered with a metal grill that has a decorative pattern. The glass appears to be frosted or dirty, making it difficult to see clearly through it. On the left side of the image, there is a light structure that looks like part of a closet or shelving unit. The walls are painted in a light color and the floor appears to be blue. The overall image is slightly out of focus.
So, ganon. So,
Home. But
try naman natin mag-take ng picture dun sa built-in camera.
click my rate voice set mute folder video app folder access folder vidmate Instapage blind mini game Instagram camera lookup cap
So, camera
application
tayo.
icon
Try natin mag-take ng
Camera.
picture.
flash mode.
So, ayan. Medyo, ano siya guys. Medyo naglalag.
Your camera flash your shutter but your
So, ayan. Try natin mag-take ng pictures. Ayan.
fill front shutter button
So, magpipicture lang ako guys. Ayan, pwede na yan. Tapos, pa-describe natin sa Be My Eyes.
lit photo latest photos
So,
button
para maano nyo siya, pindutin nyo lang tong latest photos.
more delete edit favorite share selected
So, hanapin nyo lang dito yung share.
one items checked
So, mag-i-explore by touch na lang ako para madali.
messages smart sidebar save to file doc maps add to maps messages files by Google download photos upload to photos Google search image Google save keep notes lens WPS Office JPG WPS
So, yan,
Office
ang dami
save
palang
Be My
pwede
Eyes
po.
described with Be My Eyes
Itong Be My Eyes, ayan.
application icon Be My Eyes raise volume above the safe level raise listen cancel okay ask more
Ayan na.
ask more share your message Be My AI the image shows a close-up of a young person with short dark hair. They are wearing a white sleeveless shirt and appear to be indoors, possibly in a room with white walls and a white metal structure in the background, which could be part of a bunk bed or shelving. The person has their eyes closed and is facing the camera. The lighting is soft and natural, suggesting daylight.
So, ayun. So, ganun lang guys gumamit.
Home.
Ganun lang kadali gumamit ng Be My Eyes. So,
Copied.
So, gano'n lang guys kadali, kung gusto nyo mag-volunteer, pwede rin kayo mag-volunteer, or kung gusto nyo, kung kailangan nyo talaga ng ng visual assistance, gano'n, pwede yon. So, gano'n lang siya guys kadali. So, para sa mga ganito
Main
pang
menu.
video, wait lang guys ha.
Voice it, edit, prudent, page 1 of 2. Notification. Clear, expect, app mark, tool, stop.
So, para sa mga ganito pang video, mag-subscribe lang kayo dito sa YouTube channel ko. So, ayun lang guys, bye-bye.